LG. This is a 15 kilos plus 9 kilo for the dryer. This is for wash. Okay, I'll teach you how to clean duct, heater ducting. This is the heater ducting for dryer. I'll show you how to clean the ducting and how to maintain it properly, guys. Keep watching, guys. Let's try to open ducting. Just remove screw here, screw here. If the duct for heater is too much, it's hard to, the dryer is not working properly, guys. Sometimes your clothes is wet after the program. Sometimes you need to take three program to dry your clothes. So sometimes cleaning is the best solution for okay. Clean ducting, check some sensors. Some screw, guys. Keep screw. Okay. Here we go, guys. This is the dryer side. See, it's too much dirt. Too much dirt can affect clothes drying. Okay. Sometimes error occur on drying mode function. Too much. See? Okay, and show you how to clean that. Open the drain pump pipe, open the drain pump cover, open that, and then apply some water. Water, guys, water. Take it to your heart. There are two sensors above you, guys. This is for heater sensor. one sensor, and this is also the sensor. See, if it's too much dirt, the dryer will not load, and sometimes you need 3 or 4 programs or more programs to dry your clothes. This is the dryer. This function is to dry your clothes. Okay, after wash and spin, then it will go drying. So this is legit upload, guys. Watch, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like, and please press the notification bell. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Keep on watching, guys. Sorry for my English, guys. I'm not good in English. I'm trying to talk English. Apply water, guys. To soften the inside. I need some brush. It's better if you have brush. Don't so much. Avoid some control to put water. I'm gonna take my yes, clean it. Just open the valve, guys. See, water is coming inside and going down. This is LG 15 kilos. This is how to clean that thing. Clean, guys. Cleaning this ducting for dry is much better, because if you not clean, maybe heater sooner your heater will be busted. This is the heater. This is the fan. That's the way how to clean, guys. Clean. Let the water goes. So much good, guys. Show me the meaning of being lonely. The meaning of a broken heart. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Just watch in there. This the basic things to like cleaning. If you know how to clean, much better. You didn't need to go to repair shop. You can do it yourself. But be careful for the wiring. It's already clean. Put those inside here and put some high pressure. See? You can wipe it with the wet cloth, you see na? You can also apply water, but don't forget to dry. Use blower, guys. If you have this blower, it's blower. Wait for the water to clear. See? So guys, that is an LG top load. LG front load, so this is a LG front load. After that, applying blower. Big blower, guys. Blower mas better. Blower.
One eternity later.
Already clean the cover in the blower. Let's bucket. Let's back the cover, guys. So if you have we don't have yum. Kaya may ibang mahal ang puso mo. Damdamin ko'y talagang parang magbabago. Ang tanda. I stand before you, kissed your baby cry. I believe that I can still survive. You have to say you have to read your mind. Okay na yan? Oo, kanina pa yung ka-speed, walang... Subukan pa spin yan, ano na lang yan? 3 minutes na lang. 3 minutes na mo, 3 minutes na lang yung pagdating ng 6. 3 to 5 na lang yan eh. 3 to 5 5 minutes na lang, natapos na kagad siya. Kasi kailangan magantay ng 15 minutes bago mag-final spin. I stand before you, not before me. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Yung Samsung nga, nag-i-spin siya pag tunay. Yung sa to, nagpa-final spin ng Samsung pag, ano ito. Depende naman sa, ano eh, sa brand. Oh. How can I explain so nothing? Okay.